You might be familiar with a few methods for producing electricity, such as batteries and wind turbines. However, did you know that some types of living things may also produce electricity? Do animals come to mind that could perform this? You would be correct if you imagine electric eels. So, watch this video if you are fascinated to see creatures and learn about how they generate their own electricity. An electric fish is any fish that can generate electric fields. Most electric fish are also electroreceptive, meaning that they can sense electric fields. Electric fish produce their electric fields from an electric organ. This is made up of electrocytes, modified muscle or nerve cells, specialized for producing strong electric fields, used to locate prey, for defense against predators, and for signaling such as in courtship. According in bioscience, around 400 species of electric fishes are known today that can generate and detect electric signals. But it is in only underwater that creatures are able to take these animals' superpowers further and generate their own electricity. The incredible ability to produce electricity has fascinated humans since ancient times and now inspire novel medical therapies and energy-producing technologies. According to the scientists, electrogenic fishes are divided into two main groups based on the voltage of their electrical discharge, which are strongly electric and weakly electric fish. When we talk about strongly electric fish, we are referring to fish that capable of producing discharge up to 100 of volts. On the other hand, weakly electric fish that generate discharges of just 1 volt or less. Weakly electric fish generate a discharge that is typically less than 1 volt. These are too weak to stun prey and instead are used for navigation, electrolocation in conjunction with electroreceptors in their skin, and electrocommunication with other electric fish. The major group of weakly electric fish are the osteoglossiforms, which include the Mormyridae or the elephant fishes, and the African knifefish Gymnarchus, and the gymnotiforms in South American or the South American knifefishes. These two groups have evolved convergently with similar behavior and abilities, but different types of electroreceptors and differently sited electric organs. Strongly electric fish, namely the electric eels, the electric catfishes, and the electric rays, and the stargazer, have an electric organ discharge powerful enough to stun prey or be used for defense and also in navigations. The amplitude of the electric output from this fish can range from 10 to 800 volts with a current of to 1 ampere according to the surroundings. For differences in weakly electric fish, the small generating organ is located in their tail. In strongly electric fish, these organs contain large number of electrocytes or electrolytes, are much bigger in size and occupy a significant portion of the animal's body. Electric eel or Electroporus electricus can live up to 15 years and the size is 6 to 8 feet. Although electric eels have the power to be the bullies of Amazon, they are actually not very aggressive animals. The eel uses its shock to stun prey and keep predators at bay. Electric eels are nocturnal, live in muddy, dark waters, and have poor eyesight. So instead of using eyes, electric eels emits a weak electric signal which they use like radar to navigate, to find a mate, and to find prey. Once prey is found, electric eels will use a much stronger shock to stun prey, usually in a smaller fish. Electric eels can grow up to 8 feet or 2.5 meters in length. Despite their appearance, electric eels aren't actually eels at all. They are more closely related to carp and catfish. Electric eels can generate an electric charge of up to 600 volts in order to stun prey and keep predators at bay. The shock of an electric eel has been known to knock a horse off its feet. Now that's shocking. The electric catfish or Melapterus electricus is known for much of Central Africa that lies north of the Zambezi River, although it is absent from Lake Victoria and the Congo Basin. The largest can grow to about 1.2 meters or 3 feet and 20 kilograms. Most Melapterus and all Paradoxoglanis species are much smaller, reaching less than 30 centimeter or 1 feet long. This is a beast of a bottom dweller that not only attains a large bulky size but is capable of discharging up to 400 volts, enough to stun an adult human. This significant electrical charge generated by a unique pectoral muscle that surrounds most of the body. It is used for both capturing prey and for defense. It goes without saying that this is a species that must be kept on its own. Electric rays or tormidiniforms have different form of defense from other rays. Stingrays, sting-skate defends themselves with the barbs, and manta rays are too large to have many natural predators. Electric rays are smaller than many other types of rays and do not have barbs of sting. Instead, they stun their prey with electric shock. While all rays have a highly developed electric sense, electric rays have special electric organs on either side of their heads. These organs can generate between 50 and 200 volts and 30 amperes of electricity, enough to shock or injure a human and definitely enough to take out small prey. Electric rays have such an acute electric sense that they are thought to be the most electrically sensitive of all animals. Electric rays are usually 1 to 6 feet in diameter and have a more rounded shape than other rays. They have rounded dorsal fins and thick tails. Unlike other rays, electric rays use their tails to swim, not their pectoral fins. Electric rays are found of many depths, from shallow waters to as far as 300 or 3,000 feet below the surface. So if you notice, guys, all the electric fish I mentioned are strongly electric fish. Why? Yes, you're right, because those 3 electric fish are capable of producing discharges of up to 100 of volts. To sum up, electric eels generate up to 600 volts, electric catfish that generate 400 volts that enough to stun an adult human, and electric ray generates up to 200 volts. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from the video. Thank you for watching.